Morning traders, it's 10:05 on Monday the 1st of August. As you can see, the candle's just broken through this trend line. So now I'm going to place an order to go short below this red candle over here. So let's place that order. There's our order to go short. We place our stop loss above the high over here, so that's 488, and our take profit is 80% of that, which is 390. So I'm going to put my take profit down here. Let's make it 389. As you can see, the stochastic broke through the 80 line a candle or two ago. So let's see if it makes it to our take profit down below. It's coinciding with the 200 EMA as well as the pivot point, so it looks like a good place to put our take profit, but we'll have to see what happens. Okay, it's 10:49. As you can see, our trade's been going very well so far, and we pretty much at our take profit, although nothing is ever set in stone until it actually happens. We're currently sitting at 350 odd rand profit, and our take profit is at 380. So let's just I'm going to keep recording for a bit to see if it reaches our take profit. We're 5 rand away. And there we've reached our take profit. So that's a nice 383 rand and 59 cents that we've just bagged. And the next thing we need to do now, so I'm going to draw this trend line from the top over here. As you can see, it's adhered to the trend line quite nicely to this point, and we will then enter a trade long if it breaks through this trend line and the stochastic turns up through this 20 line over here. So if that happens, I will record another clip and we'll take it from there and enter the trade accordingly. Okay, it's just gone 11:05. As you can see, we've broken out here and the stochastic is turned through the 20. So I'm going to place an order to go long. I'm going to make it 2 contracts because it fits in with our money management. So we're going to place an order to go long over there. And the stop loss is below this level, 635, and 80% of that is 508. So that's where our take profit's going to be. Over there. And yeah, let's see if this one works out as nicely as our previous one did. It's currently, this current candle's a little bit down. We just missed our entry over there, but let's see what happens, and I'll keep you up to date with that one. Okay, it's 13 minutes past 11. We've just been triggered into the trade to go long. Currently just under 100, around 100 rand profit, and the momentum so far is looking pretty good. So we've had a nice little break through our order, and hopefully it goes all the way to our take profit at 507 rand. Okay, it's now 11:36, and I've just been taken out of my take profit on that second trade, and we made 527 Rand and 2 cents on that trade, which takes our profit up to 910 Rand and 61 cents. I'm pretty happy with that total for the day. However, I'm going to draw a line over here, another trend line, and we'll see if it breaks through that level downwards, signaling another short if the stochastic goes through this 80 line on its way down. And I might consider entering another trade, but we'll have to see what happens. Okay, it's now just gone 12 o'clock. As you can see, we've just broken through this trend line. It's a bullish candle, but I'm going to place an order to go short a little further away than I normally would, just to make sure that it's going in the right direction. So I'm going to place it over there, and the stop loss up there at 493, which would make our take profit 80% of that, which is 394. I'm going to place my take profit over there, and we'll have to wait and see whether this one triggers. Currently we have a slight red candle, but as you can see, my order's quite far away still, so let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see that the candles have become quite bullish, so I'm going to cancel this order and adjust my trend line like so. And now we wait for it to break below this new adjusted trend line. And as you can see, the stochastic is turned up again through the 80, so it will need to turn down for us to consider entering a trade again. Okay, so now we've convincingly broken through the trend line. Stochastic has gone through the 80, so I'm going to place an order to go short down here below this low of this candle. We have our stop loss up here. That's 708, and 80% of that is 566, so that would put our take profit around about there. And yeah, let's see what happens with this one. I'm looking more promising than a few minutes ago, so let's see what goes for what. Okay, as you can see, our order hasn't been triggered yet, and it seems to be going in more of an upward direction for now. The stochastic is all the way down here. So I'm going to cancel this order, once again readjust this line, we might be heading in a sort of a long situation, but we'll have to evaluate as time moves on and see what opportunities are presented to us. Okay, what's happened is it's actually gone long instead of short. The stochastic went all the way down to the 20 and turned up. We're a little bit late on this trade, but it broke through this trend line over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place an order to go long, actually a limit order, because we a bit behind. and with the stop loss, there our order is triggered, so our stop loss will be down here at 401, and 80% of that would be at 320. So our take profit will be up here at 320. So it's not quite these highs, which is a good thing. Just have to break through this high and then hopefully take profit over there. So I'll keep you informed as to what happens with this one. Hopefully entering slightly late wasn't a bad decision, but that remains to be seen. Okay, it's just about 1:15, about 5 seconds to 1:15, and as you can see, we had a nice upswing with this current candle, and we got taken out at our take profit. And on that trade, we made 329 Rand and 72 cents, which brings our total up to 1,240 Rand and 33 cents for the day. That is more than my target for the day. I try to make 5% of my capital per day, and we reached that with this trade. So I'm going to be calling it a day, and I think 1,240 Rand for the day is a great successful day of trading. So I'll be posting these videos daily as I can from now on. So look out tomorrow for the next video, where hopefully we'll have just as a successful day as today was. Cheers.